Whether you're planning out your latest novel, want to get more organized, or are a teacher prepping for your next class, having the best whiteboard will make all of this, and more, much more straightforward. What's up guys, today you'll take a look at the best magnetic whiteboard you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. We have spent a couple of hours researching it. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. Before we start, I have a question for you. Which whiteboard are you using right now? And what is your opinion on them? Let me know in the comments. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. XBoard Magnetic Dry Erase Boards. With a detachable marker tray, this board can be placed on any of the 4 sides so that you can keep writing and place your materials close. The frames are made from high-grade aluminium and the corners are made using plastic, making it safe. The board does not have any sharp edges and pointed edges so that you can use it around kids. You can use the board to pin notes, pictures, and many others. The board is protective and is scratch resistant, and therefore you will be able to use it for a long time without fear of stains and unpleasant scratches. Any type of marker can be used on the board's surface, and it comes with nylon expansion pipes and screws for easy mounting. Pros: mounts landscape or portrait. Has a marker tray. Easy to wipe. Cons: the board easily damages if not transported well. Number 4. Premium Magnetic Whiteboard. The stylish erase board is large and easy to use and maintain and comes with magnets and double-sided tape. You can mount the board on any surface and use markers to write on it or pin messages and pictures on it. This board can be used in a classroom, locker, fridge, and any other surface where one might want to put them. A set of 6 magnetic low-odor markers are included when you buy the board, and they have built-in erase tips so that you can make quick corrections. These markers have excellent pen tips so that you can write more and neatly on the board. These markers are also magnetic so that they cannot be easy to lose after you are done using them. Pros: comes with markers, easy to mount. Low odor markers. Cons: the board is small so might not be suitable for classrooms. Number 3. OfficePro Ultra Slim Magnetic Whiteboard. First off, the OfficePro Ultra Slim Magnetic Dry Erase Board is your solution for keeping track of your plans, things to do, and other reminders. You might even find the OfficePro Ultra Slim to be the best dry erase board for your money. Although this whiteboard is super slim, it does not get bent out of shape. It is lightweight and easy to mount. Not only is the OfficePro useful in the office, but it can be used at home, school, or anywhere that whiteboards are needed. The dry erase whiteboard remains white and does not ghost. Furthermore, it is easy to keep clean and maintain. The OfficePro Ultra Slim Whiteboard is supplied with a high-quality black marker pen and pen holder tray, magnetic eraser, and 3 whiteboard magnets. With its solid yet smooth surface for writing, your dry erase markers move smoothly as you write whatever you need to jot down. Furthermore, the board is easy to delete with the dry eraser. Nothing is left behind when you erase the board. Pros: this whiteboard remains white no matter how often you use it. There is no ghosting. The OfficePro Ultra Slim is a magnetic whiteboard that you can stick your notes on. Although the OfficePro Ultra Slim whiteboard is lightweight, it is sturdy. It does not warp. Easy to hang with the OfficePro mounting system. Cons: nothing yet. Number 2. Quartet Glass Magnetic Whiteboard. Another high-quality whiteboard from the Quartet brand is the Quartet Magnetic Whiteboard. This 17-inch by 23-inch dry erase board has a smooth surface that is a joy to write on. Whatever notes, reminders, and messages you need to leave, the Quartet Magnetic Dry Erase Board is the best dry erase board to use. The magnetic accessories that come with this whiteboard are useful to hang any item or written notes you want. Plus, the dry erase marker that comes with the board is the right one for writing notes and reminders. Also, you can use this dry erase board at home as well as at the office. You have the choice of selecting the Quartet Magnetic Whiteboard with a black frame that matches most home decor. Furthermore, this whiteboard is flexible, It can be mounted horizontally or vertically. Pros: the surface is smooth for writing your notes and messages. This whiteboard also works as a magnetic notice board. Mount the board either horizontally or vertically. Cons: a bit pricey. Number 1. VIZ-PRO Magnetic Dry Erase Board. Choose from the vast array of top quality presentation products offered by VIZ-PRO. As a leading maker of presentation products, VIZ-PRO is the logical choice for the best office whiteboard that is available. Whether you need a whiteboard for your school, home, or office, the VIZ-PRO is your answer. VIZ-PRO is a professional-grade whiteboard with a smooth and magnetic surface so you can write or display your messages. Furthermore, the VIZ-PRO is lightweight but sturdy. This whiteboard is not easy to scratch and dent. It will retain its new look for as long as you take care of it. Also included in the starter kit are a marker pen holder which you can attach, and a screw kit for wall mounts. Pros: easily wipes, lightweight, easy to fix. Cons: the board breaks easily.
If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.